Do you agree that the potholes are crazy in Rhode Island? We don't even have sidewalks. Look, it's almost as tall as me. How is this even crazy? This is like 30 feet or something. Help. I have to walk on the street now. That's how crazy it is. We don't have sidewalks, but we have streets. Look at this, we're in the street. Look at that. That's the sidewalk. See? The plow trucks, they did a good thing in Lincoln. Even though we have snow, but they did a good job. I'm still proud of them. Providence was a lot worse. Do you agree? Look at this too. Look at the ground and stuff. Oh my God.